Good morning, children. Welcome to Mahila Samaja online classes. Class 2nd standard. Subject EVS. Topic 7th lesson Bones and Muscles. Dear children, today we are going to learn bones and muscles. Observe in your textbook. Plants are made up of many different parts like the roots, the stem, the leaves, the flowers, etc. Each part performs its own function. Yes, plants also made up of many different parts, no? Like roots, stem, leaves, and flowers. Like each part perform its own function. Just like them, we human beings too. Plants tarane human beings kudanu have many body parts which help us to perform many different functions. Just like plants, each part perform its own function, no? Like human beings also, each part perform its own function. We use our leg to walk, to jump, and to run. Our hand help us to write, to eat, and hold books. Yes, we use our legs to dance, jump, and run and play. Like that, we are using now our legs, and also we are using our hand help us to write, to eat, and hold books. Like that, also our body parts doing so many works. See, observe in this picture, our body parts help us to run also and swim also. See, each part of our body is important. We have 5 sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. Our eyes help us to see. To hear, we use our ears. To hear, we use our ears. We taste our food using our tongue. Our nose help us to smell. Our skin gives us the sense of touch and feel. See all the parts, body parts we are using. Our eyes help us to see. We have 5 sense organs. How many sense organs we have, children? Yes, we have 5 sense organs. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. These are the 5 sense organs. Eyes help us to see. We see with our eyes. We hear with our ears. To hear, we use our ears. We taste food using our tongue. Our nose help us to smell. Our nose help us to smell. We breathe and smell through our nose. We feel the sense of touch with our skin which covers our whole body. Our skin gives us the sense of touch and feel. Our skin feels smooth. Whether it is smooth means we feel smooth, no? Like that also hard means rough. Our skin help us to sense. Touch feel hard or soft. Soft ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ hard ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. And also we feel hot, cold, and rough, smooth. Like that, our skin gives a sense of touch and feel. Let us have a look at Kunal's living room. Observe in this picture, children. Kunal living room. All the body parts are doing same. Did you notice that everyone is doing different things using different parts of their body? Have you ever thought what these body parts are made up of? How these body parts are connected? Yes, our body is made up of millions of tiny cells. Cells differ in size and shape. Try and do this. Touch the front part of your leg below the knee and then touch the back of it. Did you feel a difference? Say yes or no. Yes, we feel difference. The front is hard. There you should write hard. The front is hard, whereas the back of the leg is soft. Try doing the same with the front and the back part of your fingers or palm. Palm means ಅಂಗೈ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫೀಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ವಿಚ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್? ಎಸ್, ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ hard, whereas back of hand is palm is soft. Here soft palm is soft, back of the palm is hard. See, our body is made up of millions of tiny cells. Cells differ in size and shape. Cells differ in size and shape. See, touch your knee, leg. Touch the front part of your leg below the knee, and then touch the back of it. You feel different. The front is hard, that is bone, and soft. Back of the leg is soft, that is muscle. Like that also you try to doing the same for your palm and fingers. Yes. Both the sides you touch would have made you feel that there are different things inside our body. The harder part at the front of your leg, which you felt, is the bone. Yes, we felt bone. The softer part at the back is the muscle. Soft ಆಗಿರೋದನ್ನ muscle ಅಂತಾರೆ, hard ಆಗಿರೋದನ್ನ bone ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. Together they make you perform most of the task you do in your daily lives. ಡೈಲಿ ನಾವು ಮಾಡೋವಂಥ ಕೆಲಸಗಳ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಬೋನ್ಸು ಮಸಲ್ಸ್ ಎರಡೂ ಸಹ ನಮಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. See, these are the tiny cells. Cells differ in size and shape. Hard part is bone, soft part is muscle, and try to do in your palm also. Yes, next, bones. Now, do this. Pick up a book. Scribble something in your notebook and move your knees towards your chest. All these movements are possible because of the bones in our body. Bones have a hard outer layer made of calcium. Yes, all the bones have a hard outer layer made of calcium. Calcium ಇಂದ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. All the bones are connected with each other. These connections or meetings points are called joints. Where two bones meet together is called as joint. We can bend our body around the joints. We can feel the joints too. We can feel joints too. See, write down 3 different places where you can feel the joints. Here in your textbook picture is there. Observe it. 3 points. First one is elbow joint. Second one is knee joint and wrist joint. This is the wrist joint. 3 joints are there. Knee joint, elbow joint, wrist joint and knee joint. Right in this one. See, bones have harder and outer layer made of calcium. Muscles. Our body is made up of bones and muscles. Bones and muscles give shape and support to the body. The connections or meeting points of bones are called joints. See, observe in this picture where two bones meet together is called as joint. See, these are the joints. See, these are the joints where the connections or meeting points of bones are called joints. Our body is made up of bones and muscles covered by the skin. A tiny baby has more bones than adult. than an adult. A baby has around 270 bones. A baby has around 270 bones and an adult has 206 bones. How is this possible? I have more bones than you, mom. Yes, a baby has 207 bones. 270 bones. An adult has 206. A baby has how many bones, children? Yes, 270 bones. A baby has 270 bones and an adult has 206 bones. The bone joining our hip and knee, the thigh bone, is called femur bone. Is the largest bone in our body. Femur bone, largest bone is in our body is thigh bone. Okay. Next page. After Kunal learnt about the bones, he was curious to know how his thigh bone looked like. So he visited his doctor and this is what he saw. He got excited. He asked Dr. Day whether all human beings have the same structure of bones. Dr. Day told him that all human beings have the same structure of bones and it looks like. Yes, Dr. Day told him all the human beings have same structure of bones and it looks like it. All the human beings have same structure, bones. All the bones join together to form the skeleton. The skeleton is the framework which gives shape and support to our body. It helps us to move, gives muscles a place to attach themselves, and protects the soft organs inside our body from injury. A skeleton is a framework which gives shape and support our body. A bone doctor is called an orthopedic doctor. A bone doctor is called an orthopedic doctor. Bones ge treatment kodo doctor na orthopedic doctor anta karitivi. An earthworm is one such animal that has no bones and hence it cannot stand, sit or run. An earthworm is one such animal that has no bones and hence it cannot stand, sit or run. Name two more animals which have no bones. You have to write them. Jellyfish and starfish. They have no bones. When the next year some pictures are given in your textbook, identify these animals by their skeletons. Here some animal skeletons given. You have to identify. First one is fish, monkey and horse. Next, muscles. Can the bones move on their own? Yes. No, bones cannot move on their own. Our bones are covered with body tissues that expand and contract, thus causing movement. These body tissues are called muscles. Muscles make up for nearly half the weight of our body. They provide the push and pull which the bones need to bring about the movement. Yes, these are the bones. Inside is bones. Outside you are looking, no, that is muscles. The hard thing in the middle are the bones and soft flesh around them is formed by the muscles. The hard parts is called as bones. Soft parts are called as muscles. Bones and muscles give shape and support to the body. The skin covered the muscle. There are more than 600 different muscles in our body. There are more than 600 muscles in our body. The only muscle exposed on the outside is our tongue. The only muscle exposed on the outside is our tongue. ನಮ್ಮ ಟಂಗ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಇನ್ಯಾವ ಮಸಲ್ಲು ಆಚೆಗೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಟಂಗ್ ಒಂದೇ ಆಚೆಗೆ ಬರುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಮಸಲ್. ದ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಮಸಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಟಂಗ್. You can observe in this picture. Okay, next, if we blink our eye, we move 200 muscles at one time. The smallest muscle is inside our ear. The muscles in our body are covered by a layer of skin. The smallest muscle is inside our ear. See, there are more than 600 different muscles in our body. The smallest muscle is inside our ear. Smallest ಆಗಿರುವಂಥ ಮಸಲ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡು ಎಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಇಯರಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ. There are more than 30 muscles. There are more than 30 muscles in our face. The muscles in our body are covered by layer of skin. Next, Dr. Day showed Kunal how our bones are covered with muscles and how these help our body to move. Dr. Day explained Kunal how bones are covered with muscles and how these help our body to move. ಹೇಗೆ ಬಾಡಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ನ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬೋನ್ಸು ಮಸಲ್ಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡೋದೆ ಅಂತ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಡೇ ಕುನಾಲ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ವಿಚ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಡು ಯು ಯೂಸ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಸ್ಮೈಲ್ ಆರ್ ಫ್ರೌನ್? ಫ್ರೌನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕೋಪ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಮೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಯಾವ ಬಾಡಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ಮದು ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಯು ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಮಸಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅವರ್ ಚೀಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಿಪ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸ್ಮೈಲಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐಬ್ರೋಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೋರ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಫ್ರೌನಿಂಗ್. ಕೋಪ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಸಿಡುಕ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಆವಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಮಸಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಐಬ್ರೋಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೋರ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಫ್ರೌನಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಮೈಲಿಂಗ್, cheeks and lips. These are the muscles when we are smile and frowning, using frown. There are some parts in our body which are neither hard nor soft. See, there are some parts in our body which are neither hard nor soft. Try touching the lower part of your nose or the ear. These are neither bones nor muscles but are made up of cells called cartilages. These parts tend to be a little flexible. These parts tend to be a little flexible. See, these are the cartilages, nose and ears. See, thigh bone is the largest bone in our body. This is the largest bone in our body. Next, do your nails and hairs grow, children? Yes. Next, do you want your bones and muscles to be fit and healthy when you grow up? Yes. And remain healthy even when you become old. Yes. ನಾವು ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೆಂಗಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಹೆಂಗಾಗಿ ಹೆಲ್ತಿಯಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ನಾವು ಫಿಟ್ಟಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಗ್ರೋ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಅವರ್ ಬೋನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮಸಲ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರೋಯಿಂಗ್. ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಗ್ರೋ, ನೀವು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ವಾ, ನೀವು ಬೆಳೀತಾ ಇರ್ತೀರಲ್ವ, ಆವಾಗ ಬೆಳೀತಾ ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬೋನ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮಸಲ್ಸ್ ಸಹ ಗ್ರೋ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಶೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಬೋನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮಸಲ್ಸ್ grow fast and remain in a very good condition by eating a healthy meal, by exercising, by maintaining correct posture. See, first by sitting, no, that is wrong position. You have to sit correct posture. This is the correct posture. Next, what is your daily food intake for breakfast? Is what you are eating, that one you can write, children, no problem. I am written few breakfast items, but you write your own, what you like to eat morning, everyday breakfast, for lunch, for dinner, that one you can write in this Okay, next, how many times do you eat snacks between them meals? Do you eat more often during holidays? ಎಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ನೀವು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಲಂಚ್ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಮೀಲ್ಸ್ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ನ ಜಂಕ್ ಫುಡ್ ತಿಂತೀರಾ, ಸ್ನ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ತಿಂತೀರಾ, ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Do you exercise regularly? Yes, you are exercising, no, doing exercise. Every day you are playing, no. That time also your body going to do exercise. Exercise makes our bones and muscles strong. It also helps us to maintain them in good condition. Exercise ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಗುಡ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ. Exercise make our bones and muscles strong. See, healthy food. If you are eating healthy food and doing exercise and sitting in proper posture, we can maintain good position, good health. Next, posture. The way we eat, the way we sit, stand or move is called our posture. Good posture is very important. When we sit, we need to keep our back straight against the back of the chair and keep our feet flat on the ground. When we stand up, we should keep our shoulders and back straight. When we walk, we should keep our body straight and swing our arms from the shoulders. Once we start sitting or standing in the wrong position, our bones and muscles get used to that shape. And in the future, we will find it difficult to sit or stand straight. We should practice a good posture every day till it becomes a habit. Yes, we should eat healthy meal and doing exercise, maintain correct posture. If your bones and muscles will grow fast, remain in good condition if you. Now I know our body is made up of several parts. Different parts of our body help us to do different jobs. Our body has a framework of bones. It is called the skeleton. Bones are hard and stiff and protect our internal organs. The place where two or more bones meet is called a joint. Bones are covered with muscles. Muscles are soft and help our bones to move. Healthy food, exercises, and proper posture are needed to keep us strong and fit. See, these are the bones and muscles. Bones and muscles give shape and support our body. Bones in the human body, it will protect our internal organs also. Our body has framework of bones. It is called skeleton. Bones are hard and stiff and protect our internal organs like heart, brain, spinal cord, lungs, kidneys. These are the internal organs, the important parts of our body like heart, brain, spinal cord, lungs and kidneys are protected by bones. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? ಬೋನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Bones are covered with muscles. Muscles are soft and help our bones to move. Healthy food, exercise and proper postures you needed to keep us strong and fit. So you should maintain healthy food, eating good habits, healthy food, exercise and proper posture you are needed to keep us strong and fit. I hope everybody understood this lesson, children. Thank you.